this.
Oh my God, you know how to fold?
Yeah.
Wow, you gonna do it to all of them?
Yeah.
Let's see. Wow, you're a big girl.
Mommy, you picked up?
Layla's a big girl.
Mommy, you picked it up.
Yeah, she fixed it. Don't mess it up. Why would you do that? She just folded them. Put that back. Put it back. You're gonna start all over?
Yeah.
Because your brother messed them up? Jordan, what are you doing?
I took them myself. Look at my boat. Mommy, my boat. Mommy, Jordan.
That is not a boat.
My boat. Yeah, I do boat.
You're not a boat.
I do boat. It's the thing, Robbie.
He's sitting on it.
I like it like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it like that. That's gonna clean that's gonna clean.
Jordan, get off of that.
Get out.
Jordan, get off of that.
No.
Why?
No, I did the boat.
Jordan, what are you? You a girl?
No, I'm the boy.
You a girl?
I'm the boy.
No, you like to put on lip gloss, right? You a girl.